quick test of an early set of Bandit clocks received. Basically dead. The only thing they were showing was backlighting, and that was it. When you turn the ignition on, that's all you got. Hopefully now sorted, so turning them on, they come up, show the mileage, do the sweep, and if I give it some speed and RPM, 80 mile an hour, thereabouts, on 10,000 revs, and the switches are working. So there's a trip count, that's the other trip count, which you can reset by holding that, that's it, and obviously the clock, which is telling the correct time. So if I power them, backlighting off, back on, that's all working, ignition off, ignition on, lights on, and then left turn, right turn, high beam, oil, neutral. So all working. I will soak test them for 24 hours and see how we get on.